clean, safe, filtered water from your kitchen faucet at the push of a button. With American Standard, you can feel confident that the water you and your family drinks and cooks with is safe and clean. That's because the American Standard filtered kitchen faucet helps reduce harmful impurities, including lead and chlorine, for healthier living. An easy-access filter provides the ultimate level and convenience, with 2 options available, above counter or below counter. Maintaining safe water is that easy. Each replaceable filter can filter an incredible 300 gallons of water, so you can say goodbye to plastic water bottles and bulky jugs. The convenient LED indicator light reminds you when it's time to replace the filter, so you'll always know when your water is clean. And unlike other filtration faucets, the filtered and unfiltered water never mix. Filtration plus everything you need from a pull-down kitchen faucet. It's a winning combination. One-touch switching between stream or spray. Retract spray head retraction ensures smooth, easy operation and kinkless retraction of the spray head. And Dock-Tight technology to make sure the spray head docks securely in place when it's not in use. Convenience, style, durability, and peace of mind for the entire family. The Saybrook Filtered Kitchen Faucet by American Standard. Clean, great-tasting filtered water you can trust every time, right at the push of a button.
With decorative lines shaping its distinctive handle, the Trielle faucet brings a touch of glamour to your contemporary kitchen design.